Budget always seems to battle creativity. How do you balance these two?
So the biggest hurdle we're always up against, especially in the music video industry, is budgets. It's not even the video industry; it's commercials, it's movies. I mean, you hear James Gunn and all those guys talking about their movies, and there's never enough money, even though they have $200 million, because you're always pushing the limit of making something great. And if you're not pushing the limit of making something great, then you're probably not making something great because you want to put it all on screen. So there's a lot of different ways in music videos to deal with a budget. As a good director, can take the budget, and the trick is to put as much on screen as possible. And a good director knows the proper corners to cut in order to, literally make the most amazing canvas that you can on screen. It's a tough question because there's always a budget battle with the record label. And the biggest thing with music videos is, the artists and the label's expectations are like ridiculously, not even high, just impossible. Like, they want to create, a $30 million movie and they have a $40,000 budget. And, a good music video commissioner will just tell the artist right away. It's like, well, you're not going to get this. So like, let's think, what we can really do for 40,000. Some commissioners don't bother to tell the artist this. So the artist gets upset when they're getting treatments because nothing is what they want. But, any director knows that, you're not going to get a Steven Spielberg $200 million movie for 40,000. The biggest thing is to be realistic too with record labels. And it's a fine balance because you also want to get the job. People are outbidding each other. So, I mean, that's where director Jensen, he's probably the best at it. He really is. Because, you watch his videos and, anyone watches his videos and they think every video he does is $1 million. The reason why Jensen can make a video look like $1 million when it's not $1 million is because he knows, okay, these are the strengths, this is the budget, I can put this on screen, I don't need to see this, I don't need to build this set, I can just build a small portion of the set and then extend it in post or shoot it with a longer lens or, however, he has this innate way to know exactly what he's gonna see and just cuts out all the other stuff. Where other directors don't know exactly what they want, so they need this huge canvas, which, costs a lot of money to build, and then they just play on that canvas. Which there's nothing wrong with it. Everyone has their different method. It's in the world of music videos, you don't always have that, especially anymore.